Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Property owners and residents of Rumoke community in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State have lauded the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) for completing internal road construction projects embarked upon by the commission several years ago. Some residents who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta recently said they were convinced that the NDDC had been reinvigorated to effectively carry out its statutory obligation to transform the Niger Delta region.
Prior to commencement of the NDDC forensic audit few years back, abandoned projects awarded by the Commission for emergency repairs and construction of unmotorable internal roads littered major towns and cities in the Niger Delta. However, most erring contractors handling such projects had quickly returned to site for fear of being sanctioned. In the last 2 years, Port Harcourt residents, particularly those residing in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State, appear to have been major beneficiaries of improved service delivery occasioned by the NDDC forensic audit. With the recent completion of Route 10 of First Avenue at the new road layout of Rumoke community in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State, residents now have cause to smile. Chairman of the Landlords Association in the area, Engineer Godde Osade, describes it as a timely intervention by the NDDC.
The road was in a very bad state. Since the beginning of this road, the landlord had been managing it, using Harcourt and every other valuable equipment to make sure that it's motorable. But we're lucky, I thank God that at the end of the day, NDDC came to our rescue. The movement has been smooth and less stressful. At least the money we used to wash our cars and repair have really reduced.
The brand new road is paved with asphalt and has a drainage system to make it last long. A resident, Kennedy Amadi, describes it as a good job.
They did a good job anyway. Yeah, I can't take it from them. The drainage, both sides, is fantastic. They can still come back, mobilize and complete the 2nd and 3rd Avenue. It will be nice for the people living here.
Another resident, Abiola Hussein, says the new road built by the NDDC has improved its lifestyle.
We can now comfortably come out of our house early in the morning to jog. So most of us come early. I mean, you could see I'm still in my outfit. Yeah, it's because I came out jogging. So most families do come out early in the morning from 5:30 a.m. to jog.
Hussein further observes that real estate business has picked up in the surrounding neighborhood as a result of the new road provided by the NDDC.
It has also added value to our properties, because now we now see influx of people wanting to buy vacant plots on the streets, and most of them are also hurriedly building their vacant plots as well. So which means, this kind of development is making life better for us, and it's also increasing our investments and at the same time making our environment more secure.
The new emphasis on completing long-abandoned projects is a paradigm shift in the project management culture of the NDDC and is expected to strengthen the Commission to improve on its service delivery to blighted communities in the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,